and welcome to our channel App Reviews. This is Bernice and I will give you amazing reviews on apps. Friends, now you can remove all media files that are in your WhatsApp chats and free up the space of your smartphones. Actually, you know what? WhatsApp saves all the images and video files that we received on our WhatsApp, and we are using WhatsApp for a very long time, obvious. Then these files take up our space and cause our phone to run very slowly. But with this app Cleaner, you can find all files of WhatsApp and delete them, and you can also enable automatic cleaning based on a schedule. It's really fantastic, friends. I'll tell you everything about this app, but don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel App Reviews. You can install this app from the link given in the description box of this video. I have already done that. Now we will click on open. As soon as you click on open, this interface will come. You have to click on allow access, then allow. Then no files are found because I have no files, but I will show you like this. You can, if you want to clear it now, you can click on clear it now, and if you want to clear every week, then you can do it. And after that, if you want to clear sync the settings, you can do that. You have to clear the cache if you want to feedback, you can do that. And cleaning method is, when you click on the cleaning method, if you want to delete all files, if you want to delete older than a week, older than a month, older than 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 100 GB, so these are the options given, whatever you want to have the cleaning. If you want to delete all the files, you can click on delete all files. Whatever you want to have the cleaning method, you can click on that, and that very time all the files that you find and that this app finds, what you have choose, it will clean all the files of that. Then your WhatsApp will be clean because it contains all the old then a year or so, and so you can do that with. It's a very small and cute app. You can explore it.